Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Motorola Moto G04. Begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Samsung, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code instead, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide, close another, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!